Hi both bakers, I'm Gemma Stafford, and this week on Bigger Bolder Baking we are making a microwave carrot cake bowl. Here's how to make it. So cake bowls are hugely popular for us, and considering it is springtime, I thought we have to do a carrot cake bowl. So in the bowl we have our butter. All you want to do is melt that before you add in your other ingredients. To the melted butter we're going to add in our dark brown sugar, and then just mix it together with your fork. I always use dark brown sugar in my baking because it just has a stronger flavor and more caramel flavor than lightly brown sugar. So this is my go-to right here. Into this we are going to add our all-purpose flour, our baking powder, and our cinnamon. And then just give that a little mix in with your fork. So if you're new to my cake bowls, the beauty of them is it takes one bowl and it serves 2 people. But if you want to make just one serving, just half this recipe, it's really simple to do that. However, if you want a whole carrot cake for an Easter celebration, you have to check out my best ever carrot cake on biggerbolderbaking.com. We just revamped the recipe and it is out of this world insane carrot cake. So into the bowl next, we're going to add finely grated carrot. Now make sure you use the small part of the grater because you want to get this nice and small and fine. If you don't, you're just going to have big lumps of uncooked carrot floating around your cake. Nobody wants that. Next, we're going to add in our vanilla extract, just to add lovely flavor to our cake. And then lastly, our milk, just to bring the batter together. And then with your fork, just go in and give this a mix. Now listen, if you're one of those people who likes raisins or walnuts in your carrot cake, which I like both, then feel free to add a few in here. That's totally fine. A quick mix with your spoon, you have a nice batter. I'm going to get a little bit of kitchen paper and just clean up that edge. I mean, we just did that in real time. How simple it is just to pull that together. Okay, so I want you to follow me over to the microwave because the cooking of these takes a little bit of finesse. So start out by cooking your cake bowl for 2 minutes, then check on it. And if you feel like it's still a little bit wet on top, which it often can be, then put it in for another 15 to 20 seconds, check it and add a little bit more time as needed. And it's ready. When you touch your cake bowl on top and it springs back underneath your finger, that means it is good and there's no more wet batter. All in all, this took 2.5 minutes. Now I'm going to set this over to the side, let it cool down, and let's make some frosting to go on the top of it. So obviously we have carrot cake, we are making a cream cheese frosting, which is one of my favorite frostings. So into a bowl here, I'm going to add in room temperature cream cheese. It's been sitting out there for a few hours. You can also pop it into the microwave for a few seconds. And I'm also going to add in softened room temperature butter. Now you can do this by hand if you wish, but here I have my electric hand mixer and I'm just going to cream these together until they're nice and smooth. There you go, just a few minutes on high speed. We'll get it nice and smooth like that. Into this, we're going to add in our powdered sugar and a little splash of vanilla extract for flavor. And then again, just cream these ingredients together until your frosting is smooth and combined. Lovely. I think we can all agree the best part of cake is the frosting. Okay, that's our frosting. Let's go and top our cake. Now you have to enjoy these cakes when they're fresh. If you love carrot cake and you're waiting until Easter, until somebody in the family makes one big giant one, then this is right up your alley. In the microwave, less than 3 minutes, one bowl for 2 people or not, whatever, absolutely delicious. If you like cake bowls, then we have made other flavors like banana, red velvet and chocolate, so stick around and check those out. I'll see you back here really soon for more bigger, bolder baking.